what's on your neck?
See this bat? That's a bat up there. You can't really tell, but it's a bat. Zoom out. Zoom all the way out. This is not a skit. This is not a skit. This is a bat.
You can't even see it.
The weapon.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you actually wanted it. So you probably can't even see the bat.
Let her refuel first.
Yeah. Drink, kitty, drink. Drink and get the water in.
Get in here.
Alright, everybody, make the bat screech.
The weapon.
The weapon.
It's about to go down.
Victoria said you look Asian when you did that.
Alright, you got the bag?
Yeah.
And you got your hanger?
This is no skit. This is a real bat. Now, enjoy.
Okay.
Sure it's a bat?
Yeah, come on.
That's a bat.
Hold the door. It's just gonna come flying.
Alright.
That was gonna be
I'm
awesome.
kind of scared now.
Told you I woke up this morning and it was wiggling.
I'm gonna try the cat. I think it'll be effective on him.
No, leave the cat alone.
Hey.
Are you recording?
Heck yeah.
What do you record other things? Don't just stare at the bat the whole time.
Okay. This is one of our weapons of choice. This is our weapon of
Weapon
choice.
of choice.
Oh boy.
Our cat. Kitty.
Look at it.
Oh yeah, get it, kitty.
You're gonna knock down the.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Yeah, kitty, try to get it.
Did it move?
No.
Come on, kitty. Get it.
I'm scared.
Denny's gonna knock the curtain.
Alright.
Alright, go.
Alright.
Oh.
That didn't work.
Yeah, it's too high
Did
up.
not.
She can't get her hold.
Cat failure.
Bat's not affected.
Bat's not like, yeah, right?
So now we have to try
Alright,
bag.
now just
Bag
throw
and
the bag
hang.
over top. What is that?
What is it?
Oh, that's my clothes.
Yeah, what is it?
Throw the bag over top?
Throw
Alright,
the
now
bag.
try in the
I
bag.
get it caught in the bag, and then when it flies in the bag, close it up.
Oh boy.
You're scared, Greg.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, I saw a tear twitch.
You did?
I don't know how big it is.
You're scared.
I feel like earlier it started spreading its wings and it got like 3 times as big as it normally looks. I feel like it looks real small, but then once it starts moving, it looks bigger.
I'm about to poke it.
Yeah, poke with a stick.
Alright, use the broom.
Oh, you want the broom?
Weapon of
No,
choice.
use the broom.
Oh my goodness, I'll use the broom. I want to.
No.
Here, let
Ryan
her,
do the
let her
broom. Yeah, boom. Alright, Ryan.
I'm gonna knock everything over.
Yeah, don't knock anything, Ryan.
Alright.
Yeah, don't.
Take the hat off. This is business.
Can I zoom out? Up. Oh, look, he's already. Okay.
Did it move?
Alright, ready?
How'd you use that end?
That's what I'm thinking. Why is he using the end that's not the.
Yeah, alright, go ahead.
Alright, ready? Get up. Get up.
Is it over?
Ooh.
Up! It's moving. Oh, I'm not getting up.
Get up.
Chris with the bag.
Get up.
It is moving.
Up!
Oh,
Its head's peeking.
Like this.
Alright, here, you want to try and catch it? Now use the broom.
You can use the broom at all.
I'll sweep it off.
Keep it into the bag.
Like what?
Into the bag.
Somebody's got to use the bag. I
Into the bag.
Alright, let me record again.
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting. Oh, why do I need the bag?
Why do you get something?
All right.
Why do you have to go way back there?
Get on the
Well, it's
top.
gonna fly somewhere. What makes you think it's gonna float right into the bag? It's gonna hit my
I want to
face.
sweep it really
It's
hard.
gonna hit my face.
I promise I won't let it.
No, you should get closer, like where the curtain is.
So the bat is.
You gotta get closer, dude.
It's not gonna fly in here.
Just get like right here, and I'm gonna sweep it right in.
Let me sweep it. We hold the bag.
The best video ever.
This is not a skit.
No. Oh my god.
Ryan, you sweep it, and I'll record.
Oh,
You like poke
Yeah.
it? All right.
son of a bitch.
Alright. I don't know if it's tall enough.
Oh boy, this is gonna suck.
Up.
I get it?
No.
I get it?
We need you. We need you, Eric.
No, I got this.
Ryan's a man.
He's It's missing. You can't.
No, get this. You die.
I gotta be careful.
Yeah, you're missing. You're going right over top of it.
Oh, I am.
Still.
You're like petting it.
You do it.
Well, your bag's not even over there. Get over there, man.
I'm sorry. I'm scared. No.
Hey, don't knock eggs.
You're gonna hang right. Here, you catch.
Yeah, you catch. Sit on the couch.
Somebody catch.
Sit on the couch. Victoria.
You're missing it. Here we go.
You catch.
No. Alright. So I'm gonna sweep it really fast and run.
Alright, here we go again.
Alright,
Wait.
this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sweep it and run.
Try to make it in the bag, not on my face.
How much would that be funny?
You're missing.
Alright, ready?
Chris's face.
Where's Ryan? I'm gonna bet you back in there.
Ryan?
Stop it!
Oh my god.
Oh, it goes right in.
All my weapons are up there.
Oh, that's it flying.